Hello, travelers. In the spirit of giving thanks, I wanted to talk about two organizations in my state that I've been volunteering for about 2 or 3 years now. The organizations are Natural Restorations and Keep Our Desert Clean. I'll link them in the description below. I'm not trying to humble brag, more like trying to raise awareness in my own way. In Arizona, there's tons of trash scattered throughout the desert. It's a huge problem. There are people that dump renovation materials to avoid waste management costs, people that just dump furniture and other random garbage. Then you have people that go out into open chute areas that simply don't clean up after themselves. Worst of all, you have people that just don't care. Thankfully, there are organizations out there like Natural Restorations and Keep Our Desert Clean, along with other organizations as well, who host events to help clean up the mess made by our human counterparts. It's very sad and enraging sometimes seeing the harm people do to something we should all be taking care of. One thing I'll continue to remind myself of, though, is that there are people out there that want to do good, that want to leave the world a better place. Not just for the current people, but for the generations to come. I encourage everyone to give back by finding an organization in your area that does the same. Maybe it's a different cause. That's totally fine. Maybe you can't find an organization out there. Well, then grab a bag and take a walk or a hike and pick up trash as you go. Remember safety, of course. Wear gloves and don't pick up anything that looks or smells sus. At the end of your adventure, you might find that like me, you get more out of it than you put into it. Last bit is that no matter where you go out, pack your trash with you if there's no disposal near you. This goes especially for dispersed campers. Toilet paper doesn't decay as easy as you think it does. I can't tell you how much of it I've had to clean up. Not only is it gross, but it ruins the scenery as well. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for watching my videos, and here's hoping that the new year brings positive change and happiness for all of us. Bye.